Good afternoon and welcome back to HQ Fitness. Today, for our steel mace tutorial, we're going to go with our inward and outward mills. So to start off, we're going to grab at the top of the knurling right here on our mace, wrapping all the way around, nice strong grip. We're going to start off with our inward mill. So for an inward mill, we're going to start off way out to the side. We're going to let the lobe of our mace drop down as the pommel comes behind our arm. From here, we're going to bicep curl it up underneath our chin, nice strong forearm, strong grip, and from here we're going to raise up the elbow to bring it behind our shoulder. All we're going to do is cast it out, back into that nice position to let it circle down and around. So for the inside mill, it's coming to the inside of the body first. We want to make sure that we're into a nice uppercut position. Wrap it around with the elbow. And from here, using the momentum, we're going to help cast it out to the side. Practice. Try to do at least 10 on each arm. Get a nice flow and a nice rhythm going on back and forth. Now, show on the other arm real quick. It's nice and simple. Nice strong grip. Dropping the globe down towards the floor. Uppercut through, right under the chin, lifting that elbow up and around. The mace is right behind my shoulder to cast out. So the mace is never really coming up and above my head. I'm actually shifting it around my shoulder. If I'm using my left arm, the mace stays over my left shoulder, going back and forth to keep that nice bicep curl as we go through. Now, to switch into our outward mill, we're actually going to start off same handle, same grip, nice tight forearm. We're actually going to push the mace in front of us, and we're going to take it down to that nice slicing motion behind my arm with the pommel. The lobe is going to come up, nice little curl in, tuck it behind my shoulder, cast it out. So we slice, scoop, turn. All right, tuck, turn, slice, tuck, turn, slice. Again, letting the momentum help us get it up into that position. Now, what I like to do is when I get to about here, is I like to keep it on my forearm there, and I can use my forearm to help guide and to pull that mace up and out of the air. As you'll notice too, with both mills, you're going to get this nice natural rotation. First starting off, try not to do the rotation so you can build the strength for it, but as you get a little bit better and a little bit more fluent with your movement, you can start adding that nice little torso rotation in to really get those obliques firing. Obliques, the huggy muscles. Show on the other arm real quick. Start off nice and straight, vertical mace, push it out to the side, let the globe drop as we tuck it up, coming down and around. Again, try to do 10 good ones on each arm, all right, to make it nice and fluid, nice and smooth. The more you practice, the better this will get. So, I'll build a nice little routine for you right here. Now, what we're going to do is this is going to be a little bit more advanced because we're going to do behind the back switch, which I'm just going to show during the movement. You can play around with it. What we're going to do is we're going to do 3 inward mills, behind the back switch, 3 outward mills, and then we'll switch to the other side. So, I'll show you guys real quick. So I'm going to do my 3 inward mills coming in. 1, 2, 3, behind the back switch. That's going to set me up to come right into my outward mill. 1, 2, and 3. Pause. We can switch it back to the inside, going up and around the shoulder. 2 and 3, behind the back, and outside. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. And just repeat, repeat, repeat. For those of you who are a little bit more advanced, try the behind the back switch. All you're doing is letting it drop behind you, catching on top, switching out behind the back switch, and out behind the back switch, and out. Alright, try adding that in the middle. inward, behind the back switch, 3 outward, pause, 3 inward, behind the back switch, 3 outward, and then pause. Try to go for at least 2 to 5 minutes continually with no breaks. You're really going to feel it in your shoulders and your forearms. It's going to be a great exercise to practice over and over and over again. See you next time.